You can install WordPress theme. So let's start. So this is the dashboard. Before you install this theme, you need to clean your dashboard. Like plugin, there is no plugin, and when you visit your theme, then you can see there is no theme. It's a default theme. So first of all, you need to click here. So when you download the theme, then you will get something like this. I want to show. When you will download, then you will get here this file. So you need to extract first. And when you will get the extract, then you will get here the many folder like demo data, Medova, file theme, core, is and everything. So that is very important. You need to set up Medova. So here, go here, work, Medova. Then you can set up Medova GIF and install. Okay. Now you need to active this theme. For active, then this plugin is very essential plugin. You need to set up each and every plugin. If you miss anyone, then it won't be work. Then you install. Okay. After install, then return the record plugins. Then you need to active all of plugins. That's very essential for this theme. Now you can see there is 2 minutes plugin. We need to active again. Okay, now you just remove it, and then still you need to active 2 plugins. Now it will be active now. Okay, now go to return the dashboard, and then here you will get the appearance and click demo data. When you click here, then you will get the demo. Continue demo. Then visit website. And go to dashboard. Okay. And you need to set up your permalink. That's very important. Click here, set the permalink. Yeah, everything is fine. So first, there is another home, and this another home, 2 homes. Let's see. Okay, color sense. Color sense, go to general. Here is the color sense. Make it red. Red. Okay. Now all are red. All are red. Okay. About this. This part I want to sense. Click here. Edit page. Is meta. Click here. Here is setting. And this is the pictures. If you want, we can change the new pictures. It's the pictures. And here title, custom title we can use on office substance. Okay. Yeah, sense. Footer. Footer 1. Click here. Logo sense. Header 2. Footer 1. Open it here. Footer. This is the footer informations. Menu. Quick links. Select. All things are here. Appointment. All things here. Header. There is the header. Logo. Email address. Address. Search icon. like visible, enable, card icon, height, top canvas button, height, top canvas is here. Yeah, menu select, primary menu 1, 24/8 button, text. That's it. You can sense all of things something like this. Now, if you want all pages same header, then go to here, header 2. If you want, then header 1 fixed for all pages. Footer, go to footer, footer 1 for all pages. Now look, header done footer 1, on 2, 3, on contact page. See, header 2, footer 3. So this is not correct. You need to edit it. Header 3, you need to edit it. That's very important. Contact page. If you want to change phone number, email, then you can just edit. Click edit with Elementor, then you can change whatever you want. Okay, here. This is all of the information you can change. Okay. This is the map. If you want to change the map, then you can do very easily here. Edit the address and location, other things. And here, contact. And contact page. Okay, contact page here. You can find contact form 2. So here is the contact form 2. And then you can edit the name, phone number, email, the others, and this. And then this field you need to set here. Copy this and paste to here. Name, email, phone number, service, and message. So you can just put here your name, your phone number, your phone number, then email, and service, then message. Okay, now save it. And you need to put here the customer email. That's very important too. That would be the related of this. Okay. So for example, this is the hosting. If you want to do this, then you need to put here info, then hosting. Medova.com. You need to here, click here the format one and put the hosting which is the related. It's not belong to the domain. So you need to put here the real domain information. Okay. Here is the banner text, social media, and others part. Want to put here. The one map. It's very easy. Okay. Now click here. Same header if you want to do, then you put here 1. For that is only user make a preview, then automatically get from the menu options. Same things. Go here. Then header, make a rebuild. Then all header footer are looking the same. Okay. Hope you understand. Okay. That's it. Here is the block, here is the other pages, details, appointment price table. This is very easy. The same things which I did. Okay, just follow the instruction. Hope so this video would be helpful for you. Thank you so much. Bye.